Nagaland Chief Minister Neiphiu today visited Ganesh Nagar, Dimapur under Dhansiri Par to take stock of the ongoing renovation works at Ganesh Nagar, which has been converted to COVID-19 institutional quarantine center. As more stranded citizens are arriving from other states, accommodation is becoming a challenge, especially for Dimapur, as out of the 18,000 plus returnees, Dimapur district has to shoulder the responsibility of housing more than 70%. In view of this, the cabinet in its meeting held on 19th May at Kohima decided to convert the industrial estate Ganesh Nagar into an institutional quarantine center, where the Nagaland Police, under the initiative of DGP Nagaland, John Longkumar, and DIG Training Autimsel, spearheaded a complete facelift to the abandoned buildings. The Chief Minister also informed that the government would support those in the quarantine center at Ganesh Nagar by imparting motivational training on business entrepreneurship to those who desire to stay in Nagaland and earn their living. Meanwhile, Public Health Engineering Department Minister Jacob Zimomi highlighted on the issue of shortage of medical staffs at Dimapur, to which the Health and Family Welfare Minister Pangyu Phom assured to send additional forces of medical team by next week. Host of ministers and advisors, including Deputy Commissioner of Dimapur Anup Khinchi, Commissioner of Police Rotihar Tetsyo, were among those who were present during Chief Minister's visit to Ganesh Nagar. In Meghalaya, the Executive Committee of the Chief Minister's Task Force met for the second time today to lay out the blueprint to revive Meghalaya's economy post-COVID-19 pandemic. The discussions were on the infrastructure and labor sector and the industries and trade sector. Naga People's Front Manipur State Unit President Awangbo Nyumai was inducted in the ministerial berth in the Chief Minister N. Biren Singh-led BJP coalition government today. Governor Najma Heptullah administered the oath of office and secrecy to Nyumai at the banquet hall of Raj Bhavan in state capital Imphal. The newly sworn-in Minister Awangbo, who is also the sitting MLA of Tamay constituency of Tamenglong district, said that he is grateful to the Governor Heptullah and Chief Minister Singh for making him one of the ministers in the N. Biren Singh ministry. Assam registered 25 new cases of COVID-19 positive cases today, 11 in Kamrup, 8 in Hojai, and 6 air travelers. The total number of cases in Assam stands at 935, with 109 recovered and 819 active cases. Amidst the fight against COVID-19 pandemic, Assam is also tackling floods in the state. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal visited flood relief camps at Ajia Balijana Girls High School and Dwarka Primary School in Golpara today. Department of Health and Family Welfare issued the latest COVID-19 sample testing status of Nagaland as on May 29, 2020. Cumulative number of samples sent for testing, 1,934. Number of results received, 1,371. Total number of positive results, 25. Total number of negative results, 1,346. Number of samples sent after 3 p.m. of May 28 to 3 p.m. of May 29, 232. Number of samples awaited, 563. Number of samples tested by TrueNet, 63. Number of samples tested negative by TrueNet, 63. Number of samples tested positive by TrueNet, 0. Number of sample results awaited, 0. Number of persons presently at facility quarantine, 3,526. Number of persons out of home quarantine, 7,196. From all of us here at NE8, stay safe.